So we've reached the end here of our course at coding-bootcamps.com. So please feel free to check us out online, provide us with your feedback, and don't forget to follow along on social media. We're on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Make sure to follow us and show your support. So this was an introduction to the C++ programming language. We covered C++, its characteristics, an overview of object-oriented programming. We looked at fundamental types, data types, names, variables, constants, escape sequences, keywords, all which are crucial to the building of an application. We looked at arithmetic operators, if, else if, nested if statements dealing with the construction of logic within the program. We've looked at switch cases where you have one trigger and then you have multiple outcomes to choose from. If you recall, we looked at loops, so for, while, do while, and nested loops with some examples to guide you as to the main differences so that you can make that decision in deciding which one you want to use for your program. We've looked at structures and just how powerful they can be, especially when you combine them together in organizing the data within a program. We've completed our first project into um, building a program to calculate the age of a human by entering the date of birth, and plenty of homework along the way. So, my side, it's been an absolute pleasure taking you along, and I can only wish you the best of luck on your development journey and offer my sincere congratulations on completing this course. I can only imagine it must have been challenging at times, but if you push through and you get to the end, congratulations. Final note on private tutoring sessions, we do have private tutoring available not only for C++, but other programming languages such as C. If you do feel that you need just that tiny bit of extra help to get you over the line or to get you onto the next stage of your development process, just reach out to us and help is available. Next classes after this would be the intermediate level C programming language with hands-on examples and the introduction to C++ programming. There's plenty of classes that we offer on the platform, so do check us out and stay tuned for any new classes coming out. Okay, so thank you so much for joining us and see you on the next class.